What's going on, guys? We're here back with another video. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day as always. We're back with the night shenanigans. He's over here pushing it. I don't know what he's doing. Look at it, that's just rolling. It's just rolling on him. Damn. But yeah, we're back. I got my cameraman right here, my girl, my beautiful girl. Got my car right here. Got Jose's new C6. He literally just picked it up. I know, he's literally missing one just like me. Damn. Shit's on a beadlock. Beadlock weld. Damn. He just picked it up today. Got Ro over here in the back. I don't know why he pushed it back, but yeah. We're gonna see what we do.
When I met you guys up over there.
Do you want to go to Glendale? Do you want to go to Glendale?
I don't know. I'm scared.
Why are you scared? Oh, that's cold. Look at him. Leaving his hatch open. What'd you get? Okay, bro. Okay. Bro, we're right here filling up gas, and this cop, he won't leave us alone. He won't leave us alone. He's bullying us. He doesn't want to let us leave. We're scared to leave, low-key. Oh my god! Oh shit! Bro, that thing is loud!
3 hours later.
Bro, we tried to go to base, and this shit's a shit show here. Like, kind of like always, you know? I feel like it's just normal for base meets to not go well. There's CHP hiding back there. You can kind of see him in their side mirror. He's just, yeah, you can kind of see him. Fuck, shit show. I don't know why they keep trying to do Glendale. Every like organization.
I told you in real not to come.
Every time they do like a car meet over here in Glendale, it's a shit show because cops obviously don't like us over here. And there's people like rev bombing, so that makes it 10 times worse. At least it's packed though. At least. Oh. Bro, we made it to the meet, like we finally parked. And there's already cops in here. Where'd he go? There's a cop. What is it? I don't even see him. But yeah, we finally got parking. There's another C6 right here. There's another one trying to park. We got Jacob in the front with the C5 somewhere. The Z06. Oh my god, that fool almost hit the Miata. Sheesh. Whoa, where did this fool go? The cops are here. I know that Benz is shitting himself. Look at this fool. Electrolytes. Sponsor him.
They're gonna get the C5 parked right there.
Yeah, huh? They're for sure gonna get him.
I'm not parked illegally, right?
Nah, we're straight. We're just parked. Yeah, we're just parked a little bad.
Just a little bit. Record the Corvette at the Miata.
Shut the fuck.
Is that Lanny McBroom?
McLaren with the cammed out C7 in the front. Oh shit, we're about to get hit. That shit's badass, dude.
That shit's hard as
Fee.
This plate drop out.
Drop. Damn. I think the cops are being chill about it.
They need to move the ones that are blocking.
Yeah, the ones that are blocking. Sounds chill. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Boom, the wind hits me.
I
Ah!
thought he had his windows down. It was just in a fishbowl.
Look at the McCleasy.
Flexing with the doors up.
Oh, look at the Atlas Mustangs. They're fucking fast.
Oh,
The
shit.
black one has a parachute, I think.
It does?
Yeah, that's my homie in the passenger seat, actually. That's Kobe.
Let's go look at him.
Come on, look.
Let's go.
That was that.
That cat sounds fast as shit. That shit sounds fast. Sheesh. Damn. That shit, this was not lying. That shit's on a fucking parachute. That's crazy.
We gotta watch out, this fucker's gonna move. We're gonna hit
Oh
him.
shit. Oh, this almost got hit. LS, should we LS swap the smart? Hey, should we LS swap the smart?
Do it.
Oh, hell.
Either wheels on it. I think we'll hit.
It goes in the air.
Bro, the cops are on foot. Cops are on foot.
See, I told you. That when you park in like spots you're not supposed to, you're more likely to be the first one to get in
Look at
trouble.
that. Oh my. He's checking every car that's parked in the handicap.
Get out of here, man.
Why? You think they'll tell us something?
Where are we? Let's go look at the sign by us. I know there was a sign above us.
There was?
It was. But I don't know what it was.
Oh
Like
shh.
a sign like this, but I didn't know what it said.
Bro, this was about to smack.
Should we look at what?
Bro, this
Yeah,
cop's,
yeah.
I feel like he's on a power
Yeah,
trip.
he is. Look at that Mustang, bro. He's gonna get lit up right now.
That fool is gonna get lit up for sure. With a Shelby behind it.
Like, even the cops over there, though, they're all on foot, bro.
For real? Oh shit, they are.
Scary, bro.
Hell nah. And then they're blocking the entrance now too. You can't come in here no more. You got 2 cops right here, 1 blocking the right here, and then the 1 across the street. Hey, is that the C6 with the drag?
Yeah.
Oh shit, it is.
We came for the drive.
Another Shelby. We came for the vibes, bro.
Came to third wheel, as always.
He's like our
Yeah,
son.
single. No fat bitches, tap in.
Bro. Who's about to
We're
get?
gonna get him
Oh.
All vehicles in this parking lot need to leave. We will be coming through and citing vehicles for everything wrong with them and towing your cars. In addition, in and out, want you guys to leave. This is your only warning.
Oh hell no, we're leaving. Fuck that. You ain't
Once
gotta talk.
again, this is the Atlanta Police Department. This is your one warning. And now, want you guys to leave the parking lot. Failure to do so will result in you guys receiving citations, vehicle code violation citations, and towing your cars. I highly suggest you guys leave now.
You ain't gotta tell me twice, boss.
Why is Raul like speak
That
up?
fool is, huh? That fool's running. Look at him.
I can't go back to Joseph.
I don't want you backing out with everybody out.
This fool's booking it. Or we're gonna be stuck in here for a while. She's already on TikTok. Bro, there's F-150 right here. She looks quick. I'll never race a truck with slicks. Fuck that. We're stuck. Alright, we left the meet. This fool brought me to some sketchy ass structure. No, I'm just kidding. We're here at the Cal State Fullerton structure. If you know, you know. Everyone comes here to shoot. Got this fool's Pedialyte right here. He's over here getting the shots. Getting the shots, huh? Fuck. I can't believe that meat got rolled. That's crazy. Looks like we have another vet that showed up. The homie Edgar, the gray C6. Let's see where he's at. Yeah, you could hear him. Where? I don't see him. Oh, I see him. He was right there. Fucking guy. Damn, we're pretty high up. Imagine I dropped it. Got the vets right here.
Something hold your hand?
No. Chill. Cook, food, cook. Look, we got another vet here. That fool's over there cooking.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. Right now, you can save 50 pounds.
Get this fool off
Per
TikTok.
person.
Get this fool off TikTok.
We're on live right now.
Bro,
Chat. 0 viewers.
I can't believe we wasted 40 minutes there and 40 minutes back.
Bro, tell me about it.
That shit was a bust.
No, I was at a little bar.
Yup, get all the angles, boy. You saw her? Hey, looky, the green calipers came out nice. You just need the wrap. Another green wrap. Alright, we moved to the cooler side, I guess, of the lighting. Because the lighting over there is obviously different. So we moved over here. Do it, you're about to dance, fool. Do it. I wish we
had this full of beds.
We need more vets here. Alright, we came to the bottom to shoot in front of these stairs. Looks pretty sick. I hope no cops come. They'll get all of us. What happened? Oh. Jeez. We're all getting our separate pictures in front of this. It's pretty sick. Jeez. And I left my car back there. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day right there. This fool is leaving and so is Ro. We're all leaving. It's tired. We're tired. It's 1 in the morning and we're here at a freaking, I don't know, college campus parking structure, I guess. I don't know. We're out though. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.